So for my signature sounds, the first one I called FLEUR-CODERCHOIR, which is a vocoder and choir patch. The vocoder is going to run through this microphone and through the notes that I'm playing on the keyboard. As I sing, they'll generate a little ghost voice of me, as well as capture my actual voice. And then I put boys choir that's on the preset sounds within the MODX 8 Plus, and it's pretty cool. Check it out. This is a song of mine that was actually, like I said, for a trailer for a movie, and it's called Love Has No Limits. And I recorded it on a vocoder, so it's cool to be able to recreate it on one here. Hi, my name is Fleurie, and you can find my sounds on soundmondo.com.